Thinking about spicing up your WordPress site with an eye-catching image slider? In today's tutorial, I'll show you, step by step, how to create a professional-looking slider using the free Meta Slider plugin. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to build and customize your very own slider, perfect for featured images, promotions, or just making your homepage pop. Let's jump right in. First, we need to install and activate the Meta Slider plugin. So log into your WordPress dashboard, that's your control center for all things site-related. On the sidebar, go to Plugins and click Add New. In the search box, type in Meta Slider. It should show up near the top of your results with a colorful icon. Click the Install Now button. This may take a few seconds, so don't worry if it pauses for a moment. Once the Activate button appears, give that a click as well. You'll know it's all set up when you see the new Meta Slider option in your admin menu on the left. That's where all your slider making magic is going to happen. Next up, we need to actually create our slideshow. Click on Meta Slider and you'll be brought to either a quick start screen or the main dashboard. If you see quick start, you'll notice it lets you drag and drop images right away. That's perfect if you want to build a slider in seconds. If you'd rather have a bit more control or simply want to start from scratch, look for the plus new button or something labeled Create Blank Slideshow. Click that and then give your slider a name, something clear like Homepage Slider, so you recognize it later. Naming your slider helps keep things organized, especially if you ever build multiple sliders for different sections of your website. Now it's time to bring your slider to life by adding images. Hit the Add Slide button, which opens up your WordPress media library. From here, you can upload new photos directly from your computer or choose from images you've already added to your site. Select the images you want and click Add to Slideshow. Each image you add can be customized for better impact. Under the General tab, try adding a caption, a short line of text that will appear over your image. You can also link the slide to another page or even an external site, which is super useful for banners or product promos. Don't forget the SEO tab. Here, you can add image title text and alt text. These small details help your site's search rankings and improve accessibility for visitors using screen readers. If your images aren't all the same size, use the Crop tab to adjust how each photo is framed, just like choosing the perfect crop for a group photo. And if you want the sequence to flow a certain way, simply drag the images into your preferred order. When you're done, click Save up at the top so none of your hard work disappears. Alright, let's tune the slider to fit your site's look and feel. On the right sidebar in Meta Slider, you'll see settings for the slider type. You've got choices like Flex Slider, Nevo Slider, and more, each with a unique style and animation. Pick whichever works best for your vibe. Set the width and height of your slider so it matches your website's layout. Keeping the dimensions consistent ensures your images don't look stretched or squished. Browse the transition effects from gentle fades to slick slides and choose the navigation style you prefer, whether it's arrows, dots, or something else. For an instant facelift, try out one of the pre-built themes. And if you want things like slide delay or animation speed to be just right, check out the advanced settings. As always, remember to click Save when you make changes so nothing gets lost. Finally, let's publish your slider on your site. You can use the block editor, which is WordPress's modern editing tool. Go to any page or post and click Edit. Add a new block, search for Meta Slider and select it. Then just pick your newly created slider from the drop-down options. Hit Update or Publish and your slider will go live. If you prefer shortcodes, Meta Slider gives you one on its settings screen. Just copy it, paste it into the page, post, or even a sidebar widget and you're good to go. And that's it, you now have a beautiful custom slider on your WordPress site, ready to showcase your best images. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or run into any trouble, drop a comment below. I'm always here to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.